Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how you can make money with NFTs Mania. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. NFTs, they are everywhere on the internet now and everyone loves them. Creators and investors have made a lot of money, which has changed their lives for good. The sale of Beeple's NFT for 69.3 million US dollars earlier this year broke the internet and changed how people around the world thought about digital collectibles. Now, everyone is trying to get their feet wet so they can ride this wave. Don't worry if you've been on the sidelines because you don't know where to start. So far, the boat hasn't gone very far. Here are 5 ways that NFTs can make you money. Create and sell your NFT. Are you a designer? Do you want to make money from something you've made? You can make more money if you sell your creations as NFTs. You can make and sell anything digital as NFTs. Original digital art, music, memes, films, audio samples, and much more are available. In fact, a man from New York sold his farts under the name NFT. So just do it. Your only limit is what you think of it. 2. Invest in NFTs. They can be used as an investment by buying them and selling them for a profit. Pablo Rodriguez Fraile, an art collector from Miami, sold a piece of digital art by Beeple for about 1,000 times what he paid for it. But not every NFT is the same. Some are worth millions of dollars and others are almost worthless. As a collector, you have to look at a piece with a critical eye to see if you can sell it for a profit in the future. You can check an NFT's rank and rarity on a site like rarity.tools before you buy it, and you shouldn't buy an NFT that is too expensive. 2. Gaming on the NFT. We live in an exciting time when playing games can help you make money. NFTs can be used to buy and sell things in blockchain-based games. There are already some collectibles that cost a lot of money, like the crypto kitties in the game. One crypto cat has been bought for more than 300,000 US dollars. Recently, more games have come out with more cheap NFTs. Some are even giving the first few people who signed up free collectibles. The play-to-earn business model of the NFT game Axie Infinity is unique in this category. 3. Staking NFTs. What does staking mean? Staking means holding digital assets in the form of a stake and giving them to people who are willing to take care of them. In return, they give you some of the prize money. Our Planet is one place where you can bet your NFTs to get rewards and other benefits. Or invest in NFTs startups. Investing in companies is the last way to make money indirectly with tokens that can be exchanged for cash. There is one thing that NFTs have shown. It is that they are not just a short-term crypto trend. They can be used in many different industries and have the potential to change the world. There are a lot of promising NFT startups that are making big strides in the world of crypto. It would be amazing if you could invest in them as they take their first steps toward a revolutionary future. As the big fish keep putting money into NFTs, they are becoming more popular. At the moment, gaming, trading collectibles, and making NFTs are the most popular ways to make money, but there will be more ways in the future. Just like with any other investment, there are risks. Remember to do a lot of research and make smart investments. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It is available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.